Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix phone number is not yet registered on TikTok. If you're using TikTok and you're having the issue that your phone number is not registered, so let's see how can you easily fix the issue. So the very first thing is that you have to make sure that you have a stable internet connection, and you have to also make sure that your VPN is not connected. And once you have checked, you just have to open your TikTok app and try to re-login, or you have to try to update your TikTok app. Open Play Store or App Store, search for TikTok, and you have to make sure that you haven't any update available here. Or if you have any update, try to update your app, and then you have to try to re-log in. Or if you are still having the same issue, so you have to make sure that you have entered a valid or correct phone number, because sometimes it might be that your phone number is not correct, so you might get these type issues. And once you have entered your correct phone number, so your issue will be fixed. Or if you're still having the same issue, you have to try it with a different phone number. Or if you are still having the same issue, so it might be that there will be a bug in your TikTok app. Open settings, go for general, go for option storage, go for TikTok, and try to offload your app. So once you have offloaded your app, you have to try to reinstall the app. So in this way, all the bugs will be fixed and your issue will be fixed. Or if this step doesn't work for you, so you have to open your browser and you have to simply search for TikTok Sport and open the first website. And here you have to discuss about your issue which you are having, and in this way you can easily fix if your phone number isn't registered on your TikTok or you're having this issue. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.